Hey, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm introducing you a track that honestly shocked me with how real it feels emotionally, sonically, lyrically. What if I told you this song was made by an AI? Yes, you heard that right. Not a big name artist, no record label, just few clicks and melody born straight from Music GPT. I will walk through how you guys can create or generate your own AI music with a couple of prompts. Let's go ahead and do it straight away. All I need to do is write, give the prompt, and if you have your own song or which you wanted to give the lyrics, if you have been written, or you can add your lyrics to generate a new lyrics for this. All I need to do is like generate those lyrics, write it some about, and it start generating the lyrics. And you can add your sound generation, text to speech, and it started giving you straight away those lyrics. And you can click to create a song, and where you can use different kind of tools. It starts from there. And the good part about this, there is a top 10, a top 50, feel good, emotional. I love the way they are kept this one. The UI pretty simple. And if you wanted to create a country wise, all you need is to click it here and start hearing that.
Moonlight haunts the broken stones, shadow dancing all alone.
Let's create our song.
Footsteps
Meanwhile,
echo
you guys
cold as
start
bone,
listening this song.
chasing where the wind has blown. Creeping close through ivy wild, secrets whispered, dark defiled, eyes like daggers, wicked smile, danger.
And the moment you have given your prompt, it started taking the prompt and it's generated a own lyric based one, which couple of version 1 and version 2, and you can like which are the version which you wanted to do it. Okay.
Midnight dance so intertwined, love and shadows left behind. Softly breathing terror near, heartbeat swallowed up by fear. Saddened touch, you disappear.
The vocals generated, the lyrics were written by AI, and the entire structure composed into natural language prompts. This is next level. Honestly, it changes the game for every artist, content creator, and full time musician. Let's hear our own AI generated song for us.
In the storm's roar, I hear my call. Amid the rain, my spirit stands tall. The stars twinkle, a distant light. While oceans rise, my heart's unshaken might. Through the wind's whisper, I find my way, unyielding through every single day. I stand firm against.
So you start this car with Music GPT and try to experiment what you're gonna build. So let me show how you're gonna build the new tracks from scratch and whether you would love the techno banger or chill lofi vibe. It's all possible with a couple of prompts. And let's dive into the Music GPT workflow. I hope you love this one and you can start follow the content creators straight away. Go play and create your own identity with music. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe for more AI video content. Thanks everyone.